Now to a developing story and a bombshell today in the federal racial profiling case against Sheriff Joe Arpaio and his office.
And we're learning the victims could now be in the hundreds and the cost to you, the taxpayer, in the millions.
ABC 15's Mary Ellen Resendez was in court all day and joins us now live. Mary Ellen, who exactly is considered a victim in this case?
You know, Katie, any minority who was racially profiled and put in an MCSO vehicle, a federal court judge said today, technically, they were being detained.
I feel sad for the county because it's going to cost them millions.
Possibly hundreds of racial profiling victims from Maricopa County Sheriff Joe Arpaio's immigration sweeps may be getting compensation from the county.
The county, will have to come up with something, but it's going to be very hard. You all know we've been going through a lot of rough times.
Judge Murray Snow made it clear the victims are not just those who were stopped in traffic stops between December of 2011 and May of 2013, but also Latinos targeted in the workplace raids, along with those transported and dropped at the border.
There are many, and we may not be able to find them all at this point. The MCSO actually has the records for that. We're having some discussions with them and trying to get as much information as we can.
Judge Murray Snow has asked MCSO to produce those records. Snow and the attorneys in the Melendrez racial profiling case want the records to identify the victims and to set up a victims compensation fund that will be paid out, or at least partially paid out, by the county coffers.
It's very important to set up a formula and a fund that's available for people who we won't identify in the first 2 months, who might 2 years from now come up. It's not going to be, an unlimited group.
County's fiscally solvent, it runs itself very well, but you hit it with a 10 million or whatever it's going to be, and it could be tremendous.
Now, setting up and identifying those victims will be part of the upcoming federal hearings in June. Katie?
Right. Thank you, Mary Ellen.